Welcome to Unit 4.6. In this unit, you're going to learn how to adjust row height as well as column width. If we look at the spreadsheet in front of us, you will see that there's a series of hash signs in every column. What this means is that the numbers are not fitting, or the column is not big enough to fit the numbers. There isn't anything wrong with the data in the columns, it just merely doesn't fit. So there are various options in order to make columns fit. Number one, you could drag it. This is always done in the column headings A, B, C, D area. So for example, column B doesn't fit. So I will place my mouse between column B and column C. The mouse pointer will change to a double arrow and you could drag it out manually. Alternatively, a quicker way would be to double click, and it will automatically fit. This is called auto fit. In other words, if the column's too small, it will make it bigger. If the column's too big, it will make it smaller. So in other words, it will fit exactly right. This whole spreadsheet doesn't fit though, so would I have to go click, 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 click on every single column? Is there any way I could just make all the columns fit at the same time? In Unit 1, you learned how to select the whole spreadsheet, and that is done by clicking on the triangle in the left-hand corner to select the entire spreadsheet. Once you've done that, you can go in between any one of the column letters and double-click, and it will auto-fit the whole column. Alternatively, I could highlight and drag from A to F and drag out one of the columns to the desired width, and they will all adjust to be the same size. Alternatively, if you were to do it from the ribbon, I'd make sure I was in the Home ribbon and click on the arrow next to Format and choose Column Width. And here I would type the width of the column that I wanted. Let's say for argument's sake 15 characters, and OK. And they will all adjust to that column width. The same would apply for row height. Many times people would be going between the 1 and 2 on the line and dragging manually, and then doing the next row and dragging manually. The quickest way to do this would be to click in the corner to select the whole spreadsheet again and drag one of the rows to the desired height. And as you can see, they're all that height now. You could also auto-fit by row, just by going on the line in between the 2 and the 3, or between row 3 and 4, 4 and 5, and double clicking, and that will fit the row height exactly. Alternatively, I could highlight all the rows, click on once again the arrow next to Format on the Home ribbon, and choose row height and adjust that to 15. As you can see, it's got a little bit bigger. Let's make it slightly bigger. Let's make it 20. And then we could double click to auto fit if you so wish.